Hello and welcome to my channel. I hope that everyone out there is having an amazing day today. If this is your first time here, my name is Theo. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. So for today's video, guys, we're actually going to be unboxing the Cocotique Beauty subscription for the month of November. If you're not familiar with Cocotique, it is a monthly beauty and lifestyle subscription box which specializes in beauty products for women of color. Each month you receive between 5 and 8 full or deluxe size products, which can include anything from hair care, skincare, or makeup. And the cost of the box is $25 per month. With that said, let's go ahead and dive into this month's box. But before we do that, why don't you take a quick second to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you can become a part of our little family and not miss out on any future content. All right, let's go ahead and dive into the box. When you receive your box each month, it comes packaged in a beautiful white box with gold detailing. Now I will say that this is inside of another box when it ships. I just go ahead and take it out before we get on camera. When we open up the box, it looks like this and everything is nice and neatly packaged. Okay. So the first thing I am pulling out is the card for the month, and it says Cocotique Fall Wellness and Beauty Essentials. This month's box was curated with your overall wellness in mind. I'm excited to announce that we will be launching a quarterly wellness limited edition box in December. Okay. In honor of this new launch, I've included a bit of beauty and wellness products to pamper you. Being mindful of your feminine personal care products is essential to your overall health as they are used in a very sensitive area. Organic feminine hygiene products are much healthier, so you're not introducing toxins inside your body. Trust me, you're going to love Rayel's products as much as I do. I've also included some amazing Spirulina Tablets that are nourishing, give you energy, and can help you lose a few pounds if needed. With holiday eating just around the corner, I thought they might come in handy. I know that I'll be using them, and I couldn't leave out some amazing beauty treats for your hair and skin. As always, I look forward to hearing your thoughts about the products, so please reach out on social media with the hashtag #LoveCocotique and let us know how you like them. Wishing you all a happy Thanksgiving, sending you all love and light. Very nice. From Dana Hill, the founder and CEO. All right, that's what the card looks like. So I guess they're coming out with a quarterly box. I might have to check that out. All right. And this is, the back side just shows what's in the box this month and gives you a description of the products. Okay, so we'll keep that handy. The next thing I'm pulling out is, looks like a 20% off code for Beauty Bits. And it says ingestible beauty, sustainable and eco-friendly plant-based nutrition. So I guess these are like vitamins or something. So that's a 20% off code. And it says the code is Cocotique. I'm assuming that it's okay to give that out since I just gave it out. It's Cocotique. And the website is energybits.com. All right. So let's go ahead and get into the rest of this. The first thing I'm pulling out of here is from Rayel Beauty, and it's a tea tree facial mask. Purify and soothe. Okay. Like I said, I'm sure you guys have heard me say it a million times. I love facial masks. I use them quite a few times each week, so these always come in handy. I'm always happy to get those. So we'll go ahead and put that to the side. The next item that I am pulling out is Skinny Bits Beauty Naturally with Bits, Anti-Aging Skincare and Wellness, Plant-Based Beauty and Wellness Nutrition. Swallow, okay. And it says contains 1 single serving, 30 Spirulina Algae Tablets. Okay, so I guess these are some algae tablets. There's 2 packs in there. Let me see what these are supposed to do. Let's see. It says 100% organic, sustainable, non-GMO Spirulina Tablets helps give you clearer skin, more energy, and it's a healthy, low-calorie snack that can also help you lose weight. It's also a natural way to improve your workouts and sharpen your focus. And it says the full size of these is $120 for 1,000 tablets, and you can get 20% off. I have never heard of this, so I guess I would have to try these out. And it says on the directions, it says swallow or chew 1 serving of 30 tablets per day. Take fewer or more as needed. It just seems like, to me, 30 tablets seems like a lot. I'll have to do a little bit more research on these, but this is something new that I'll do some research on, and I may try it out to see how it works. Okay, a little different, but all right, let's move on. The next thing I'm pulling out of the box this month is from Miss Jessie's Multicultural Curls, the best darn multicultural styling lotion. So it looks like a form of styling lotion, and it's just a small pack. So this is a one-time use. Miss Jessie's Multicultural Curls. It says, Multicultural Curls gives your curls uniformity and manageability, while at the same time fights frizz and adds just the right amount of super soft hold. Okay, great. And this is a travel size, I guess. This comes in full size, which is 8.5 ounces, which would retail for $16, and it comes in a travel size, which is 2 ounces and retails for $2. And this is 1 ounce, so I guess this is valued at $1. Okay, great. I'll pass that on to my daughter. The next thing I am pulling out of here is Rayel Natural Feminine Wipes. Okay, and this is 10 flushable cloths. And these are for gently cleanse and moisturize throughout the day with natural feminine wipes infused with botanical ingredients like aloe, camellia, and grapefruit extracts. Maintains your natural pH balance. Okay, so these are feminine wipes for you know where. And I'll go ahead, I probably won't use these. These will be something that I'll pass on to one of my daughters as well. Okay, so the next thing I'm pulling out is from Rayel again, and it's a natural foaming feminine wash, and this is 5 ounces, so I'm assuming this would be full size. And what does it say about this? Let me see. It says, gentle and effective, Rayel Natural Foaming Feminine Wash helps maintain healthy pH levels to alleviate odor and irritation. And the full size is 5 ounces, so this is full size, and it retails for $9.90. Okay, and included in it, it says natural ingredients to include lavender oil, eucalyptus leaf oil, rosemary leaf oil, citrus lemon peel oil, citrus lime oil, and kiriloe fruit extract. Never heard of that. All right, again, this is probably something that I will be passing on, but this box is definitely different from any of the boxes that we had, but they did say that they were focusing on like feminine stuff, so I guess that's what it is. All right, so I'll be passing that on. The next thing is Rayel Organic Cotton Cover Pads. And there's 2 pads in there. And an organic pad and liner is what it is. And it's 100% organic cotton top sheet. Super absorbent, prevents leaks, sustains freshness all day. And hypoallergenic, soft and breathable. Okay, remove peel, well, we know how to use them. Remove, peel, strip, and place pad on underwear, fold wings around the edges. Okay, so you get 2 of those in there. Again, something that I do not need, so I'll be passing those on as well. The next item I am pulling out of the box is, okay, Miss Jessie's Curly Pudding, the best darn curl creams, period. Now this looks like it's probably a full size. I'm gonna go ahead and open that up and see what it smells like, if I can get the top off of there. Wow, there it is. I don't even really need to open it all the way. It is covered, sealed, but I can smell it through the packaging and it smells delicious. Oh God, that smells so good. Smells delicious. I love smelling these natural hair care products. They smell so good, like just so yummy. And let me see what this does. Curly pudding. This world famous curly pudding is a smooth operator that transforms shrunken kinks to super shiny stretched out curls. Awesome. So this is for natural hair. So I'll be passing this on to my daughter as well, but I can tell you this smells amazing. And this is, how many ounces is this? This is 8 ounces. So I'm believing that's full size. Let me double check. It says full size, $22. So but it says 2 ounces available. So I guess you can get it in a 2 ounce size as well, but I'm assuming this 8 ounces is full size. It doesn't say for sure, but it retails for $22. I'm pretty sure this would be the full size. Okay, a couple more items in the box. So the next thing we have is Rayel Organic Cotton Cover Panty Liners. So these are a pack of organic panty liners, and there's 20 in the pack. Again, I'm not going to open these. I don't really think there's a need to, and I'll also be passing these on. Okay, and the last thing that we have in here is from Mother's Shea. And it is a vanilla whipped shea butter, and it's a 2 ounce size. That container is so cute. That would be like the perfect size to throw into my purse. And let's see what it says about this. Mother's Shea Vanilla Whipped Shea Butter. A shea butter based cream with all clean ingredients to keep you and your family moisturized all day. Bonus, this mother-daughter run social enterprise is dedicated to supporting as many women as possible, as holistically as possible, by returning 15% of the company profits back to the supply chain in their native Ghana. All right, that's pretty nice. Now the full size of this is 6 ounces and it retails for $9.99, and the travel size is what we have here, and this is 2 ounces and it retails for $5.99. Now I do want to open this real quick and smell it, tell you guys what it's, I can tell you guys if it smells nice, and I can also see what the consistency of this is. And when I open the top, it says natural shea melts, open carefully. If melted, pop in freezer until cool, then enjoy. Okay, so I guess that's just a sealant on top. Let's see if I can get that off. Yeah, it's like a little rubber sealant. Okay. It smells like, almost like cake, like a vanilla cake. And that's what it is. It's like a whipped shea butter. And I'll go ahead and put a tiny bit on my hand. It feels like frosting, like cake frosting is exactly what it feels like, and that's the texture of it. That's what that looks like swiped on. It smells good though. Rubs in really nicely. I actually love shea butter. I purchased the raw shea butter and mix it into different things. And this smells pretty good. It smells pretty good. All right, like I said, this would be like the perfect size to throw in a purse or something, because that's exactly what I'm going to do with it, especially now that we're in the quote-unquote fall winter months. I say that like that because I live in the South, and it does get a little chilly in the mornings, but like today, I think this morning was like 47, 48 degrees, and by the end of the day, it'll be in the 70s. So it's kind of hard to sometimes picture it being fall or like winter-ish. We do get those few super cold days throughout the winter, so. But anyway, guys, that's everything that was in this month's box. So let me go ahead and add everything up, and I will give you the total amount that the box was worth this month. Okay guys, before I give you the final total, let's just go ahead and do a quick recap of everything that we got in the box. So we got this shea butter, which was valued at $5.99. We got a pack of feminine wipes, which was valued at $3.99. We got the Spirulina tablets, and for 1,000 of them is $120, so we got 60, so this is about $7.20 worth. We got the full package of organic cotton cover panty liners, which retails for $4.50. We got the tea tree mask, which is $15 for a pack, $14.99 I believe for a pack of 5. So this was about $2.99. We got the full-size Rayel foaming feminine wash, which was $9.90. We got the organic cover pads, which usually come 14 in a pack. And for the 2, I averaged it out to be 98 cents for the 2. And then we got the Multicultural Curls pack, and we got the 1 ounce sallies, which would be $1. And then we got the full size of the curly pudding, which is $22. So I come up with a total value of the box for $58.55, which is still not bad at all for $25. Now I will say that this month, it's not my favorite box. I usually love the subscription, and this month for me it's just kind of like and that's only because these are products that I have no use for and that I would not use. I'm sure someone who's into this stuff would absolutely love this box, but you know, there's only a couple things in here that I would use, being the shea butter and maybe the vitamins. I gotta do a little bit more research on those before I decide to take them. And the face mask. Everything else in the box is a no-go for me. It'll be something that I'm giving away because, like I said, I have no use for those products at all. But anyway, like I said, for $25 a month, I usually absolutely love the subscription. Every month, just about, they have some really good things in the box. I do think it's worth the $25 because I get in this box a lot of products that I definitely would not go out and just buy for myself, and I've found a lot of new brands through this particular box. But anyway, guys, that's all that I have for today. If you received Cocotique, let me know down in the description box below what you thought about this month's box. And if you don't receive Cocotique but you'd like some more information, I'll go ahead and leave a link to them down in the description box below. That's all that I have for today. I thank you so much for spending a part of your day with me today. I truly do appreciate it. Before you go, if you'd hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and give this video a like, I'd appreciate that as well. And until next time, have an absolutely fabulous day. Take care. Bye-bye.